Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government passed question. Question number 43 says the country that championed decolonization in Africa was dash. The country that championed decolonization in Africa was that. I want to talk of champion, that is, that actually leads or led the people of Africa, that started it. Then decolonization means fight for the freedom of African nations. So option A say Nigeria, B say South Africa, C say Ghana, D say Kenya. The country that actually championed the colonization of Africa is Ghana. So Ghana is correct, which is option C. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.